I hope you guys are fine, and today I'm going to show you how to make the single crochet as this one. So I have made several rows as a sample, so I'm going to show it to you how to do this. So this is the back part, and then this one is the front part. Okay, it's beautiful color. Okay, you ready? Before we go straight to do the single crochet, obviously you need to start with the slip knot, and then followed by the chains and the length that you wish to make, and then after that the single crochet. If you don't know how to make the slip knot, or you are new to crochet, and then also how to make the chains, I have separate videos on my list, so you may go and check on my video separately, and then you can follow this single crochet. Okay, so grab your yarn, pull it 2 times, and then grab the one from the back to the front, and then the one the front, put it down, and then insert your hook and then pull it through. Okay, and then you will start to make the chains. For this tutorial I'm going to make chains of 10 plus 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 chains, and then I will add one more because I wanted to have exact 10 single crochet for this project. And then another reason is because we don't do any stitch for the first loop, so you need to skip the first one and then you go to the second one. Okay, so insert your hook, skip the first, and then go to the second, insert your hook, and then grab your yarn and make sure you have the 2 loops on the hooks, and then put it through. So this is your first chain that you made, and then continue the second one, insert your hook, grab your yarn, make sure you have the 2 loops, and then put it through. That's the second chain, single crochet. And then the third one, insert your hook, pull it through, pull it through, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull it through, insert your hook, make sure you have the 2 loops, and then pull it through. You continue doing so until the last. So in total you're going to have 10 single crochet. Okay, I will repeat the last 2. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, make sure you have 2 loops, pull it through all together. Again, the last one, insert your hook, grab your yarn, make sure you have the 2 loops, and then pull it through. So this is your first row of single crochet. and then you want to make sure that you really have the 10 single crochet. So I will count it. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So that is your 10 single crochet. So how to continue if I wish to make it longer or bigger, like this. Okay, so to make the second row I will need to change 1 and then turn your work so you are working on the wrong side at the moment. Okay, so insert your hook for the first loop. It's so visible, so you will notice it immediately. So insert your hook. With the same process, grab your yarn, pull it through, and make sure you have the 2 loops, and then pull it through. Grab your yarn, pull it through. Okay, repeat till the last. So we are making number 7, 8. The last one, the last 2 is, this is number 9. So insert your hook, grab your yarn, make sure you have the 2 loops, pull it through, and then this is your last chains, and then pull it through. So you have 10 single crochet for the second row. And then if I wish to continue, don't forget to chain 1 and then insert your hook for the first loop. Okay, continue doing so until the length that you desire. Okay, right, so you can keep continue until several rows, then you will see clearly how is it single crochet look like. And then to fasten off the last one, in case that you finish with your project, I will show it to you how to do that. So imagine that this is, I will repeat, imagine that this is your last project, the last stitch, insert, pull it through, and then you want to fasten off. So chain 1 and then cut your yarn and then pull it through. So it's fastened off already. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and then you start doing your crochet project with your single crochet. So till next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.